Hello and welcome to a quick and dirty video, so to speak, about the Game Boy and especially about Pokemon cartridges. I'm not really super into Pokemon, but I got these two cartridges a couple of years back for very little money. And it turns out, I think Pokemon Game Boy games have gone up in price, which I don't really care about because I don't want to sell these. But I was annoyed by the fact that this Pokemon Red cartridge, if I can get it out of here, yeah, has a totally destroyed sticker on it. And I think it should be working. Looking at the cartridge here, and fits absolutely fantastic in this Play It Loud Game Boy. Now it doesn't work, of course. It's getting better. Still getting better, but I think we need to put some contact cleaner on here. So let's do just that. Very carefully here. All over my fingers, great, lovely, really love it. But yeah, this is absolutely spanking dirty. But if this works, and I don't recall if I replaced the battery in here, we might want to do that as well. This is a bit of a problem. Well, I'll cut to the chase when I get this running. And then we'll try to open this up and see if the battery is still good. And once we've done that, I want to replace the sticker because I don't care much about the original sticker. I want to have it looking good. So yeah, let's stop here and I'll be back in a second. And there we go. Finally managed to get it running. It was really dirty. Cartridge seems to work still. Let's turn this a little bit down. Yeah, it's the German Red edition. And it says continue. And it seems Thomas played this. 75 Pokemon in his Pokedex. 1705, I guess that's the hours. And I'm not really sure what I'm doing here because I have no clue. Okay, I was swimming. And now there seems to be a battle. Alright, that's a Golbat. Good, so this seems to be working. I did not replace the battery, it seems, because I'm not Thomas. And while I do have the EverDrive, etc., this is much nicer to have a proper one. I even got the German stick, actually. They do sell these for different languages. And I will save the yellow one for future use because, and this is a Chinese reproduction package. This is also an original cartridge, but the sticker here is still lovely and fine. It's a little bit faded perhaps, but yeah, you can see a little bit of a difference between the reproduction. For this year I wanna get rid of, and let's see if I have a replacement battery. It might be nice to replace the battery while we're in here, because this battery is probably already 25 years old at least. So the cover slides open, which is good to know. It doesn't just clip open, but well, it's not clipped per se. Let's check the battery voltage. I think this here might actually be the negative terminal. For some reason I don't get any voltage at all. Yeah, it's 3.1. And this battery is from 1999, it seems. It's still got 3.17 volts in there. So maybe we'll leave it in, because seems good enough. 3.2 volts or something. What is the shelf life of these? That's pretty amazing. So I cleaned it a little bit more. So maybe I leave this in. I would guess this is the ROM, obviously. Pretty certain. Here it says U3 is a 256K SRAM. This is the safe RAM basically. This here says MBC5. This is, I guess, the bank switching chip that gives access to the whole ROM and has probably some other features. This here, I don't know. That might be a battery control chip or something. Probably something like that. The battery is a CR1616, while this is a CR2032, which wouldn't fit anyway. I do have 1616s, but only without the little things here on the tabs attached. This here is actually a dead one, and it's actually a 1620, so a little bit too thick, I guess. 1616 is slightly thinner. So I will have to look online if I can get some replacement. But as it's still okay-ish for now, I will just leave it. What I will do is I will scrape off this stuff. Probably with soap and water, and clean the cartridge as well, the cartridge shell, because it's really dirty. There's like grime in here. So I'll do that and I'll quickly be back. So there we go. I think this looks pretty decent. I think everything went pretty okay. There's wear and tear on this cartridge, obviously. The gunk was very hard to get off. I actually used the contact cleaner because it is good at solving like glue and stuff like that, sticky stuff. But it also has like an oil in there to lubricate stuff. So afterwards I used again light dish soap and lukewarm water to clean it off. Plus I rubbed it out with IPA to get rid of any residue, and that came out perfectly, I think. There is also a little bit of discoloration from sun, I think, because there where the sticker was applied it's much redder, and also on the inside it's much redder. But I think maybe there's some plastic conditioner, I don't know what it's called, that you could use. But I think it's good enough for me. I probably won't be playing this that much anyway. But I will try to apply this in the best way I can. Yeah, I think this looks lovely. This definitely looks lovely, I would say. I think this belongs in like so. And there you go. Taking all bets if this will work, but I think it should. Don't think we destroyed anything. It would probably be cheaper to just order a reproduction cartridge from China or something, but this is an original one and it fits so perfectly in here. The lens is obviously not original, should have been a dark one, but you can see in my old repair video that this Game Boy didn't come with a lens. It was missing the lens, and the game is not working correctly. Almost there. There's a lot of issues with the contacts on this cartridge, so it definitely shows its age. The gold contacts are rubbish on this one. Yeah, it gets worse. So once this is working, I will not take it out again. Yeah, there we go, there we go. It was probably only a bit being flipped or something. But yeah. Oh no, it crashed. So it wasn't working correctly. Ah, you see. Yeah, this is looking good again. Will it boot up? Yes. Okay, this is a flaky cartridge. I wonder if any one of you knows if there's technique to get the contacts to work better again, because I think it's all down to the contacts. The other cartridges like the EverDrive work perfectly fine. I think this is just a very worn out cartridge, as you have seen from before, and this game is now 25 years old, which is not I have much older games that still work just fine. But yeah, this looks good. Let's run around a little bit. I have no clue what to do here. I think I have to run around and fight Pokemon somehow. Here is a Omod. And we're fighting with Anton. I have no idea. And everything is in German, as you can see. But yeah, it works. And we almost killed it. Oh, the sound is pretty annoying. Oh no, we got killed. Okay. I think we got really beat up here. Yeah, I have no clue what I'm doing. But that's the cartridge, and I wanted to restore it because it fits so perfectly into this red Play It Loud Game Boy, like they were made for each other, I would say. And yeah, I mean the Pikachu edition, the yellow edition, also looks nice, but I think the red one is just perfect. That's already everything I wanted to show you. Have a look here. I will link to the shop where I got this in the video description. They are not super cheap, but I mean, having this and this nice cartridge restored for the next 25 years, I think that's worth it. But please leave a comment in the video description if there's any way to revitalize these things here. I don't want to put solder on it because that will tarnish as well. But is there a possibility to deposit new gold, like by electrolysis or what you call it? Is there some service like that? Can people do that? That would be neat, but I'm not sure if that's actually possible. Or is it better to just get a replacement PCB or a reproduction cartridge and put this in a box? And I don't know. But I want to play this, or be able to play this at least. So yeah, that's enough rambling. I'm still working on the next Let's Code video, so then we'll switch back to regular stuff. But there's a lot going on right now, so let's hope I can finish that somewhere before Christmas. And see you in the next video. Bye.